Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? All of the students, those who reads in Brungamari Government Pilot High School. But I always wish to your fitness, and you should need to fitness for all the moments, because you are students and you have to study. However, I am most Shamima Khatun, Brungamari Government Pilot High School, assistant teacher, and I shall take your English second paper. I shall take your English second paper today. Be attentive in my class and look at the board. If you want to write down the rules, as well as our subject is English second paper, so you have some rules. If you want to write down the rules, you can do it. Today our grammar is changing the sentences, বাক্য পরিবর্তন. This class is according to your assignment. This class will help you to do your assignment, so be careful and learn my sentences assertive to interrogative. First, assertive to interrogative, we should need to follow the rules, learn the rules. According to tense, of course, when we change the sentence assertive to interrogative, we should need to follow the tense and rules. First, mother cooks hospos. First example, mother cooks hospos. We will do it according to rules. I have written in the board the structure, mother, how to change mother cooks hospos. This is the assertive sentence. This is the assertive sentence. And you will do according to this structure. Though this sentence is present tense, and we should need to be verb. To be verb, do oblique does. Do oblique does. As my subject is third person singular number. My subject is third person singular number. So we will use does. We will use does. Then subject. Then subject. That means does mother. Does mother. Then verb 1, cook. Then does mother cook. Then the rest of the part, that means baki অংশ. Then we can make a rest of the part, then mark, questions mark, then questions mark, then questions mark. Complete the sentence. Assertive to interrogative, complete the sentence, we can use the questions mark. Then we can do does mother cook hospos, and with question mark. Does mother cook hospos. Clear. Number 1 sentence is clear. Assertive to interrogative. Then the second one. She is playing in the field. She is playing in the field. Here we can use to be verb. Here we can use to be verb. To be verb is am, is, are. So we should need to take according to the subject. We should need to 1. From 3 to be verb, we should need to 1. 1 to be verb. as the subject is she, so we can take is. First we can use is to be verb, then subject, then verb 1, then with verb 1 with ing, as well as by according to continuous form, verb 1 with ing. Then object or the rest of the part and finishing the question marks. Question mark is so much necessary, the finishing of the interrogative sentence. Otherwise your number will cross. You did not get number in interrogative sentence if you did not do it. If you do not do it or you did not do it without question mark, your sentence will be wrong or cross mark. Then the third one, father has gone to Dhaka. Father has gone to Dhaka. We can see here this is present perfect tense. So we can use here the structure to be verb has oblique have, father third person singular number. So we can take has. First we can take has, then subject, then father, has father, then verb 3, has father gone, then the rest of the part to Dhaka, has father gone to Dhaka, then question marks. The last finishing we can use the question marks. In this way you can finish your assignment, the assertive to interrogative. You can make, there are so many sentences to using such these rules. Okay, you will finishing your assignment with fitness body. So I wish to your fitness always, and you do better and finishing the assignment. Student life is the struggle time, so you will do it and remember it. Dear students, no more today, with best wishes to you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.